Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the radio on a Volkswagen MK5. This is the 5th generation Jetta Golf. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. That's the replacement one that we're using. Ours, he has a problem with the CD changer and it does not play at all, because when it gets stuck it just shows you an error that you need to fix the CD changer. So what you need to do, guys, first you need to disconnect the battery, because you might get error messages. So you need to disconnect the battery and let it stay for probably about 15 minutes before you proceed removing the radio now. Alright, now we need to remove that cover right there on front, on top of the dash in the center. Okay, and by removing that, you will see we'll be able to get access to a few more screws. Okay. Alright guys, after you remove that plastic piece right there, that cover, you're going to go ahead and pull that center piece out. Okay, you just pull it out. There is a few clips, and now there is one screw with a T22 Torx 20, the star looking bit. So you need to remove that screw. It's hard to get to, it's hard to show you exactly where it is, but we'll try our best and we'll show you what the screw looks like once we remove it, so you know what to expect. It's very limited room, not very convenient place to be. Alright guys, that's what the screw looks like, not very long. Okay, like that, T22, we'll remove it. Now you need to pull that whole center piece up. Okay, it started on this side. Okay, see, it's coming out. So be very gentle, because if it has some sun damage, it will be very prone, easy to crack. And now you need to start on the bottom. We recommend using a prying tool, but we're demonstrating with a screwdriver, guys, because that's something that all of you have. But we will recommend using a plastic prying tool. That way you will not scratch it, you will not damage it. Okay, and now we can go ahead and remove this one, as you can see. And you can pull that thing up, you don't even need to remove it all the way. And now with that T20 again, we're going to remove the radio, guys. As you can see, that's where it is located, right here. So it'll be pretty simple. We need to remove 4 screws. As you can see, 2 on the right side and 2 on the left side, right here. This one, the one on the bottom. And actually on this one, guys, once you pull this one out, on some models there is 2 extra screws right here holding it. Okay, as you can see there, like that. So two extra screws, but on this model they're missing, and it never had one. So that's what to expect. Be careful if it doesn't come out. Always lift it up and make sure that there is no screw here, because otherwise you will just break it pulling it out. And once you remove those 4 screws, you can go ahead and pull the head unit out. Okay, you can see it's a little bit tight, but it will come out. And that's a wiring harness now, guys. This one was even undone. It got caught, so we need to press down. Okay, let us show you there. Press down and pull. Okay, that's the one we're talking about. Right here you need to press down. Okay, it's locked like that now. You need to press down here and pull. And now those, you just need to press down again on each one of them and pull them. Just be careful, don't apply too much pressure. Okay, and you get the new head unit, guys, and you just install it in reverse order that we took it apart. You need to make sure that you get all the wires in, and you just pretty much put it back together in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.